Hello everyone. Let us learn an allegorical idiomatic expression today. Greek mythology has it that when Achilles was young, his mother was told that he would die young. In order to prevent Achilles' death, his mother dipped him into the river Styx, which was supposed to offer invulnerability. However, when the mom wanted to dip him into the river, he held him by the heel, and his heel was not completely washed in the magical powers of the river. When Achilles grew up, he became a superb warrior and he survived many battles. However, in one of his wars, a poisonous arrow went through his heel and he was killed shortly. In today's conversations, Achilles' heel is used to refer to a vulnerability that can lead to a downfall. For many people, English speaking is an Achilles heel that can jeopardize their professional careers. In some undeveloped countries, natural resources are sufficient, but corruption is their Achilles heel. And for me, I might be good at English, but mathematics is my Achilles heel. How about you? What is your Achilles heel? Thanks for watching this video. Please keep in mind to subscribe to our channel to receive more videos on idiomatic expressions.